Okay, so now I want to show you an awesome feature with our fridges, the Wi-Fi application. So I want to quickly show you how to set that up and how it all works. So let's have a quick squiz over that. We'll go to your settings on your phone. Now you need to go to Wi-Fi. Now the first thing you need to find your fridge. There's my fridge there, 8020, which the code comes up when you first actually power it on. Click on that. Okay, so that means we're now connected to the Wi-Fi of the fridge. Okay, I must mention you've got to go to the App Store or to the Google shop and download the particular app for whatever phone you're using. Okay, so now you've downloaded the app, you've found out where the Wi-Fi is in your Wi-Fi settings. Click on the KA Outback app. It'll come up like this. We want to click Get Started. Okay, so we want to be able to select your fridge. Add KickAss Fridge. The fridge is going to show up here, so I want to connect to the fridge. There we go, we're all up and running. Click on the fridge. Booyah, there we go. Everything's up and running. It shows what the bin temperature is, both left and right. Shows the voltage, so at the moment I'm on 240 volts, so it's going to show up as that. Equipment working properly. If there's any sort of fault codes or anything, it'll show up in there. Now you can also go to your change settings. So this is going to be where you can adjust all your temperatures, which is really great. It's just on a slide scale. So I'm going to set this one at, say, minus 16, minus 15. Set the other one, I'll do it as more of a fridge temp. Go around about there. Save settings. Everything will change actually on the fridge and away you go. You can also do your battery protection here, so you can go high, change that. Once again, you've got to press your save settings every single time you do something, and that way it'll save the last preset. We can actually turn the fridge on and off if you want. So fridge off, confirm. There we go, just all by the app. Turn the fridge on, away we go. Okay, you can also click on the bin temperature graph and it shows you all the historic displays and how everything's been running. Once again, it's just the press of the button. You can choose which side you want to click on. As you can see there, a little graph will come up and show you how it's all been running. I'll go on the right-hand bin. Same again, put it on the voltage side, away you go. When you're on 12 volt, obviously it's the only time you're going to see that change. It'll come in really handy just to keep an eye on how everything's running for you. Okay, so there we go. That's how you run the app. It can't get much easier than that.